Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your region in Valorant. So first you open your browser and then in the search bar you type Valorant change region. After that you will see this website. You click on this. After you will see this, you scroll down and you will see login button. You click on that. After you log into your account, they will redirect you to this page. You scroll down till you find this option, submit a ticket. You click on this. Then they will ask you to select. We are going to select account management, data request or deletion. Then they will give you this form. You are going to fill this form. For example, PC, the subject change region. Then here you are going to select account management. Then here you are going to select this option, need help changing region of residence. Then in the description you can describe your issue. For example, you can type I want to change my region from this one to this one. Then if you have any attachment that you think can help, you can attach, otherwise no need. Then you click on submit, and just like this you have submitted a ticket to change your region. They will update you and answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.